So just north of the Chao beach you'll find Ao Noi, which basically means little beach. This is a quiet little gem. Good morning. It's around 7 o'clock in the morning and we are here on Koh Kood Island, and Koh Kut is the 5th largest island in Thailand. We are starting here at the Khlong Chao Beach. This is the beach where we are staying in a beautiful resort here, which is called the High Season Resort. We are here on the west coast. The west coast basically has all the beaches. The east coast is all mangroves and rocks. Today I will take my motorcycle and ride you along. But first I'm going to show you the beach. This is one of the more popular beaches on the island. There are a lot of nice resorts in here. As you can see, it's low tide at the moment. We're having a beautiful morning. The island of Koh Kut is about 25 kilometers long and 15 kilometers wide. It's part of the eastern seaboard in the Thapao province, and you have the islands of Koh Chang, Koh Mak and Koh Kut. This is my ride for today. I'll be wearing my helmet, put my sunscreen on. Let's go. I'm heading south, and this is the first beach that I come across. Beside all the big beaches, there are also a lot of these small nice beaches, and this is Ngam Kho. And today I'm gonna try and show you as much as possible. I know I cannot show everything. Koh Kut is also an island where you can go with a lot of different budgets. Here you can also get cheaper bungalows. When we arrived in Thailand about 15 years ago, we actually started making a website called Global Travel Mate, and that's where the name Global Travel Mate comes from. 3 years later, we started to do real estate. That's how we ended up with Sukhumvit Homes. The funny thing is that I never filmed. We only wrote articles and I made pictures. But this is one of the few beaches where I actually made a video. So there is a very old Global Travel Mate video about the monkey that is taking the coconuts out of the trees, and because these coconut trees here are super high and it's impossible to harvest them, and you don't want to have the coconuts falling down on the tourists here. So I will edit a little piece of that in here. So let's go to the next beach. So this is Bao Beach. It's a bay shaped in a kind of horseshoe. And this is a very nice and relaxed area. And here you have the deck. And if you come here in the evening, you have a great sunset. This is one of the better spots here on Koh Kut. You know, Koh Kut is all about relaxing. If you like busy, it's better to go to Koh Chang. Besides the long beaches, Koh Kut has a lot of small little bays like this one. This is called the Khlong Hin Beach, and there's a beautiful resort here. Koh Kut is all about relaxing, all about getting away from the busyness of the city, the busyness of Europe, the busyness of Bangkok. We are here at the Hideout Resort. Yeah, there are so many relaxed places here on Koh Kut. So for example, this is just like a little cove, not a big beach. But that's the nice thing about Koh Kut. You have these very long beaches with nice resorts, and then you have this absolutely stunning cove. We are here at Jark Beach. This is called the Neverland. Almost like a hacienda, right? Yeah, that's the thing with Koh Kut. There are so many beautiful beaches. And this is what I like so much about Thailand. There are beaches everywhere. Some of them are really famous, and that's why people flock there. But for example, Koh Kut is not really famous, but look at these kind of beaches. If you're looking to have a beach like this for yourself, just come to Koh Kut, do some research, and you'll find it. We are here at Phrao Beach, and this is one of the most southern beaches of Koh Kood Island. So if you go a bit further down here, you get to Cambodia, where you have Koh Kong. Another beauty. Beach-wise, this is about as south as we can go here on Koh Kood Island, but we are heading a little bit further to the Fisherman village. Let's go. So we went across the island, and here you have Lam Ao Yai, and this is a fisherman village. So welcome to the Lam Ao Yai Fisherman village, and this is on the southeast part of the island. This is basically the end of the road, and there are a few nice seafood restaurants. You can rent kayaks here if you want to explore the mangrove area. Here you have the Nuchi seafood, sea urchins. I will go and have a drink here in a bit. I'm here at the most southern part of the island. I'm sweating my A off. It's absolutely scorching hot. It's the end of the hot season. Very soon the rainy season will start. That will also mean low season for the island here. They had quite a busy high season, so I'm happy for that. But it's gonna be quiet for about half a year. So let's go and have a drink at Nuchi. So Nuchi restaurant is absolutely ideal if you wanna refresh yourself a little bit, have a drink. There's a nice breeze in here. For a nice coffee or a smoothie, you can also come here to the Mermaid restaurant. A little shop here. And we just had our coffee and smoothies, and they were actually very delicious, so I can definitely recommend it. Hello! There's also a small resort in the back here. We are here on Thapao Beach, and this beach is a little bit north from where we are staying, and this is the longest beach on the island. It's always nice to see how different the styles are of the different beaches. So I try to show you all the beaches here on the island, and obviously I cannot show them all. I can only show you the biggest ones and the ones that are easy for me to reach with the motorcycle. We only have 2 days. If you come to Koh Kut, take your time, make sure to experience this island to the fullest. This is an island to relax. There is no party here. Don't expect beer bars, don't expect a 7-Eleven. It's not here. There are 3 ATMs on the island. So just north of the Chao beach you'll find Ao Noi, which basically means little beach. This is a quiet little gem, absolutely beautiful. So I will end my Koh Kut video here at the prettiest beach of them all. Well, that's in my humble opinion. I hope you enjoyed this update. If you are interested in more Thai islands, I will leave a lot of links of all the videos that I made in the last couple of years. I think there's like 12 or 13 of them. So feel free to check them out. If you want to know more, you can also subscribe, obviously. You can drop me a line, and see you in my next video.